The Sūtra of Mahāśrī. Homage to all the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas. Thus did I hear at one time. The Blessed One was residing in Sukhavati. Then the Bodhisattva Mahasattva, the noble Avalokiteshvara, set out to where the Blessed One was residing. Having arrived, he bowed his head to the feet of the Blessed One, circumambulated the Blessed One thrice, and sat down on one side. Then the Blessed One looked at Mahāśrī and said this to the noble Avalokiteshvara: Whosoever, including monks and nuns, laymen and laywomen, gets to know, upholds, recites, writes down, or commissions to have written down these 12 names of Mahāśrī will escape destitution and become wealthy. Then the entire host of spirits said, May it be so. Then the Blessed One spoke the 12 names of Mahāśrī. It is thus: splendor, welfare, she who is wearing a garland of lotuses, mistress of wealth, white one, she of great fame, lotus-eyed one, she of great radiance, she who accomplishes, bestower of nourishment, she of jewel-like gleam, great splendor. Syād, yathedam, jini, ghriṇi, sarvārthasādhani, śaśini, alakṣmīṃ, me nāśaya, sidhyantu, me mantrapadāḥ svāhā, bhṛkuṭi, paramasubhage svāhā. One should recite this 3 times. Whosoever recites it at the 3 junctures of the day will have all their adversities destroyed, and will become fortunate and of inexhaustible wealth. If one recites this before going out to meet other people, those people will think of one as their son. They will be pleased, and they will do whatever one instructs. If one recites continuously, Brahma and Brahmins may perform aggressive rituals, but one will not be harmed. Rather, it will be as if one had performed service to many Buddhas. Thus spoke the Blessed One, and the Bodhisattva, the noble Avalokiteshvara, was gladdened and praised the speech of the Blessed One. Here ends the noble Sūtra of Mahāśrī.